Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Juke's air filter. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver or a pry tool for clips. Locate the air filter housing, which is typically a large black box near the front of the engine bay. This simple task can greatly improve your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Now, let's access the filter. The air filter housing is usually secured by 2 to 4 metal clips or screws. Release these fasteners carefully. Some models might also have an air hose connected to the housing that needs to be gently disconnected. Once released, carefully lift the top part of the airbox to expose the old filter element inside. Take note of its orientation. With the housing open, you can now remove the old air filter. It will likely be dirty and full of debris. Before installing the new one, take a moment to clean out any leaves, dust, or dirt from inside the airbox. A shop vacuum can be very helpful here. Then, carefully place your new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits snugly and in the correct orientation. Finally, it's time to secure everything. Carefully lower the top half of the air filter housing back into position. Reconnect any hoses you detached earlier. Then, fasten all the clips or screws to ensure the housing is sealed tightly. A new air filter helps your engine breathe better, leading to improved performance, better fuel economy, and a longer engine life. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.